If you offer freelancing services, then using Wix might be something you want to try. Today, we're going to try creating a freelancing website where we post our services and where people can book for appointments. So, let's get started. If you haven't signed up for Wix, make sure to sign up and create an account first. So go to wix.com, sign up and enter the email you want to use with Wix, or you can also either connect your Google account or Facebook account to make things faster. Select whether you want to create a website using AI or by using a template instead, or setting it up without the use of an AI, but rather by just choosing a template. But in my case, I'm going to choose Setup without AI. We're going to type in freelancing over here, or freelancer, and let's click on continue. And depending on which you chose, whether you used AI or you use templates, just follow the steps until you get to your dashboard, which looks something like this. And after you're redirected to your dashboard, a pop-up window will automatically appear and it'll ask you what you'd like to call your website. So I'm just going to call this Jane Doe's Freelancing Services. And let's click on continue. So what are the goals for this site? Of course, we're going to offer services, display our creative work, we're going to promote ourselves, we're going to share knowledge as well, and basically just select everything that applies to your website and what goals you have for your website. Now let's click on continue. So let's choose the apps that you'd like to add to your website. Of course, we're gonna select bookings. This is very important because it lets clients schedule appointments on your site. So in case they'd like to avail for your services, they can book a slot with you and you'll be able to work with them. You can also incorporate a blog so that you'll be able to post informative blog posts over there that your clients might want to read or audiences might want to read. But for now, I'm not going to include that, but it's up to you. You can actually discover more. So you can include portfolio, chat, and so much more. So include everything that you need. And let's click on continue. Once again, you'll be asked whether you'd like to continue by using a template or by having Wix's AI create a custom built site for you. We're just going to click on start with a template. And let's look for some awesome templates over here. We're going to type in freelancer and basically just select a template that you think looks interesting to you. Let's try this one. So let's click on edit and we will be redirected to our editor. Okay, so we're here. Here on the editor is where all the magic happens. So this is where you can personalize the look and feel of your website by using the tools also that you can find on the sidebar. The tools are pretty self-explanatory, so they're very easy to navigate and understand. So you have add elements. This is where you add things like texts, images, buttons, strips, and so much more. You also have the option to add an entire section. So instead of just single elements, you can add entire section by going to the Add Section button. You also have Pages and Menu. This is where you can see the different pages contained within your website. So you can manage your web pages over here under the Site Pages and Menu. Next, we have Site Design. So here you can change your site theme, color theme, text theme, page background, and page transitions as well. So customize it and make it your own. Next, we have the Wix App Market. So here you'll be able to find so many apps that you can embed or that you can incorporate into your website. You can basically just look for a specific app over here and say, for example, events. So Wix events and tickets, calendar, Google Calendar. So basically just select an app, and if you'd like to add it to your website, just click on add to site and this feature will be added to your website. Next, we have the My Business. This is actually a very important tool because this is where you manage the function of your website. So we chose a freelancer website. That means we also incorporated the Wix bookings feature or app. This is where you can customize everything about your Wix booking feature. So this is where you can create your first service, set your work hours, and connect your payment methods. This is also where you can find the options to manage your services, add new services, add booking elements, and manage booking pages. Next, we have the media. Of course, to make your website look more interesting, more fun, more lively, you're going to have to include photos and videos and even audio sometimes. So this is where you can upload your files to Wix and use them on your website. And in case you want to import directly from Wix to your social accounts, you can also find the option to connect your socials here with Wix. And if you don't want any of that, you have actually access to free Wix images too. So yeah, you can find free images that you can use here on Wix, and not just images, but videos as well. Let's go to CMS. So use CMS, easily manage your site content. So set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, collect info from site visitors. If you think this is something that you need, click on add to site. But if not, then I think you're okay. And of course, we have the AI tools. AI is quite useful these days, but if used in the right way. So find AI tools to complete and launch your site faster. As much as possible, use AI as an assistant only and not as a substitute writer for yourself or any of that. I think it's still very good and important to be original. And yeah, in case you're having a hard time like thinking of how to start to write something, then this would be a good way to kickstart things. But along the way, it should be you who should write the content. So apart from that, you have the text creator and the section generator as well. And if you'd like to quickly edit the contents here, just click on an entire section and this quick edit button will appear. So over here on the side panel, you can quickly, conveniently change the elements here. So you can change the section background, the image, the column background, the title, paragraph, and so on and so forth. So instead of like clicking on an element and editing it like so, doing the um, quick edit function is much more convenient and easy. So now we're done with the designing, let's talk about your portfolio. In order to land client offers, you're going to have to show them what you've done and what you can do. So let's make a portfolio page within your website. So go to Pages and Menu. Since we selected the freelancer template, it already comes with the projects page. No, it doesn't. Oh, actually, no, it doesn't. So we're gonna have to manually do that. Let's click on Add Page. And let's look for projects. Okay. So let's select a template over here. I think this looks nice. So let's click on Add Page and it'll be added to our website. Okay, let's click on Done. And now we've added a projects page where people will be able to see your portfolio and see the works you did in the past so that, yeah, you'd be able to show them your skills. And just like what we did earlier, you can click on Quick Edit and change the elements here so you can change the image to your own image to showcase the projects you did in the past, and you can change the texts as well. Do the same process until you finish uploading all your previous works. Now let's talk about your booking process. We've talked briefly about this, but let's go over them once again. Let's go to My Business. And under Wix Bookings, set up your set up your first service, your work hours, and everything else. Make sure to set everything up because these are very important details that'll help you land clients and connect with clients in case they'd like to work with you. Once you set everything up, you're ready to publish your site. So go ahead and click on Publish. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help somehow, and if you did, make sure to check out our other Wix tutorial videos and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good day.